Greetings from IIM Ahmedabad. My name is Arindam Banerjee and I am one of the co-coordinators of the Executive Education program named Strategic Market Focused Management. The program is one of its kind that provides participants with a comprehensive understanding of key marketing concepts that help in building customer orientation, provides the same through a globally acclaimed experiential learning tool named Markstrat, helps participants appreciate the key market and internal information required to make rational marketing decisions, provide the setting for enhanced team-based decision-making abilities, and is completely fun-filled learning environment. We are certain that if you are a professional looking to transform your business, team or function towards being more customer focused, this is the program to be part of. Look forward to meeting you in Dubai in late February next year.